Jai Gurudev, dear students. Children, welcome again in this GK class. And students, we have already started unit number 4 in the previous class before exams. I have explained you about this chapter, first chapter of unit 4, which was our country India, and in the fill in the blanks, in the form of fill in the blanks, here they have given about many famous places of India. Okay, and in this chapter I have explained you about the various places which are famous and for what they are famous, that also we have studied in this chapter. So today we will start chapter number 2, which is related to renowned Indian institutions or organizations. Means here we will talk about the famous, or we can say which are renowned Indian organizations or institutions. So first one is India Trade Promotion Organization, and this organization is a nodal agency of the Government of India for promoting the country's external trade. You know, children, many kind of products we transport from our country to other countries. Okay, so these kind of products can be controlled by these type of organizations, in which India Trade Promotion Organization is one of the organization of our country, which is coming under the Government of India. Means it is the agency of Government of India which promote the external trade. Okay. So second is Indian Space Research Organization is the primary body for space research under the control of Government of India, and one of the major space research organizations in the world. Children, I think you all know about this, which is in short form of this organization is called ISRO, and it is in the Bangalore, and it is very famous kind of organization and renowned kind of organization, which is working under the control of Government. Okay, and it is the major space research organization in the world. Means it is a renowned organization of India, but it is famous for all over the world because it's one successful that mission, which was Mangal mission. You know that on Mars they sent one satellite which was successfully reached there. Okay, so this is one famous renowned Indian organization. Third is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR. It is its common name, or we can say small name, is the premier national R&D organization promotes the development of indigenous technologies and resources. Means whatever technologies or development of different kind of resources related to science, scientific studies takes place, that is coming under this kind of organization, which is called Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Okay. So next is, fourth one is Research and Analysis Wing, which is called RAW. This is also very famous. You must have heard in some movies also about RAW, or many tough tasks were handled by this kind of organization, and it is India's external intelligence agency. Means it is the intelligence agency which is working out of the India, but it is working secretly. Okay. So RAW has many members, or we can say they are having many employees which are working for this kind of organization, but its work is secret. Means they are not exposing their work. So this is one of the famous research and analysis wing. Its small name is RAW. And fifth one is Central Bureau of Investigation, which is CBI. You all know about the CBI, and this organization is a government agency of India that serves as a criminal investigation body, national security agency and intelligence agency. Children, this CBI is also an agency of government, and this CBI handles so many those kind of cases which are not solved by our police department, simple police department, and those cases which are not easy to solve, they are always handed over to the CBI, this organization. And this is working as a intelligence agency. Okay, security and national security and intelligence agency. So sixth one is Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI. So this is an agency of the Government of India responsible for implementing the envisioned multi-purpose national identity card or unique identification card, UID card project in India. Children, this agency is also an agency of Government of India, and it issues multi-purpose national identity card. Okay, and this multi-purpose national identity card is a card which is called UID card, and these kind of cards are issued to the special persons which are authorized to do multi-purpose work in any project all over the country. Okay, so this is also one of the famous agency of Government of India. And after this, let's have a look on the amazing facts. After every chapter they have written about the new facts or amazing facts. So here they have written about the investigation agency, National Investigation Agency, NIA. Children, this NIA is a new kind of investigation agency, and it is a new federal agency of Indian government to combat terror in India. Means this agency can only work to control the terror in our country. The agency will be empowered to deal with terror related crimes across states without special permission from the states. NIA was created after the November 2008 Mumbai terror attack. So children, it is only established after Mumbai terror attack in November 2008. So it is not too old. It is a new kind of agency which is working for the peace, or we can say working for the security of country. Means it can work without the permission of states. It can work in all the states, but it does not have to take permission from the states, because this National Investigation Agency NIA is working under the central government, and it has a full power to work all over the country without the permission of state government. Okay, and its main aim to maintain peace in the country. So children, this is all about the chapter number 2, and after this, chapter number 3 is related with the famous Indian monuments. So here they have given many pictures, and you can find out the names and write the name of these pictures. So first picture is related to Vivekanand Rock. Second picture is related to the Hawa Mahal. This is also one of the famous building which is in Rajasthan, Jaipur. So this is Hawa Mahal. Third one is Humayun's tomb. Okay, this is also a historical famous building, Humayun tomb. And fourth one is Gol Gumbad. And fifth is Gateway of India. It is in Mumbai, And this is India Gate, which is in Delhi. And seventh one is Qutub Minar. It is the tallest building and historical building in our country, which is also in Delhi. And eighth one is Statue of Gomateshwar. Okay, Gomateshwar, I think. Gomateshwar. So, this is a statue of Gomateshwar, which is also famous, and this chapter has total 16 pictures. Okay, ninth picture is cellular jail, and 10th picture is related to the Buland Darwaza. 11th one is Sanchi Stupa. You know it is in our Madhya Pradesh. And this is Nalanda. You know that it is in Bihar, and where there is a famous Nalanda University also situated there. 13 is Leh Palace, which might be present in Leh. 14 is Mysore Palace. This is Mysore Palace, which is nowadays in Karnataka. And 15th is Victoria Memorial. It is not Victorial, it is Victoria Memorial. And 16 is Charminar. Okay, so these are the famous places of India, or we can say these are the famous Indian monuments of our country. Okay, so children, with this we will conclude our this class. In the next class I'll explain you about the next 4th chapter of this unit. So Jai Gurudev.